Hi everyone, this is Veronika, and in today's tutorial I am going to show you how to make a glowing effect. In this tutorial we are not going to use Adobe Illustrator inner and outer glow effects, but I am going to show another way how to make any object glow. We are going to use blending modes. Using this method you will be able to make glow any object you want, from rounded, square or free shape. So let's start from the first one. First of all, we have to adjust color of our background. You can choose any color you want, just make sure that it's dark enough and not totally black, so we will be able to see our glowing effect. We lock all the layers and start to work with our first object. Right click on rectangle tool and choose ellipse tool. I'm adjusting the size of ellipse so it almost covers completely the object. Holding Alt and making copy of it. Scaling it up, and I changed the color. You can choose any color of glow you want. I chose this one. At this stage it doesn't matter, we're going to change this color later. We should again make a copy of this ellipse and scale it up. Choose black color. And then we can blend them all together, so choose all three ellipses, blend them, go object, blend, or choose a shortcut. Now we go transparency and choose a screen blending mode. To adjust this glow better, we have to make a copy of middle ellipse. So I will make few adjustments to this blend and bring it a little bit in. Make sure that the color of outer ellipse is black or color of background. And bring its opacity to 0. Now collapse this blend and make a copy of it. And we go to transparency and change blending mode to color dodge. Now with color wheel I will change colors of these blends to red. Basically our glow is ready. As you see, we didn't choose a lot of things, we just made two blends. One blend is with screen transparency mode and another one in color dodge. And adjusting the colors, we reached the desired effect. So the same thing we're going to use on our star and the bottle. It's going to be the same procedure, just a little bit more difficult because we will have much more anchor points and some issues that we will have to solve with our blends. So let's get going. So choose the shape of your object. In this case I have a star, so I already have an existing shape, or you can choose a pen tool and follow along your shape. And I have to scale it a little bit down. This is going to be our first part of our blend. Make a copy and create the second one and scale it up a little bit more. And the third copy and scale it up again. These two copies in between should be dark black color, so change it to black. And the middle one we will make a little bit brighter. But the beauty of this method and the blend mode itself, that you can change color as we go, so we will see how we will adjust the color maybe later. Select these three paths together and make blend. After we go to transparency and choose screen blending mode. This is our first layer. Second layer we're going to make a copy of this blend and go to transparency and choose color dodge. Before adjusting these two blends, we will just put them in place, and after we'll go to adjust them one by one. The outer path of the blend I scale right like this and go to transparency and change opacity to 0. When you change opacity to 0 of this path, it makes our blend look more subtle color and more diffused, so the light is softer. As I see in my navigator window, the glowing effect is a little bit too much, so I have to adjust the color of my path. Now I can just go and experiment, change a little bit the color of blend or scaling it up and down and see what works the best. Basically I'm almost done with this second glow. I have to just adjust the size of some path to make it look better, and we will go to the next one, which is going to be our bottle. Also organizing layers panel better, I group two blends together. Now starting with bottle shape, we go to pen tool and follow along the line of shape of our bottle to make a path using the least amount of anchor points. Like this, after when we make a blend, it will not have so many mistakes and we will not have to solve a problem of having too many anchor points. Okay, shape of our object is done. Now we can copy it and scale it up. And I am also making it black color. We have to make one more third copy of this shape and make it black as well and put it in the middle. So in between there are black colors and in the middle it's our color which we want to have a glow of. And this is basically a rim which is glowing on our object, and that's why in the middle we have to put the black color. We are making blend of these three shapes, choosing these three shapes together, and go to transparency and choose the screen mode. I'm changing the color of this glow to more azure one, the blue neon one, and moving the anchor points because this blend is a little bit off and we have to adjust it more than others as the shape is more difficult. So to help, maybe I will need to make a copy of blend inside the color blend and after adjust it. Before making another copy of this blend, we have to adjust this shape better. Like this with another one we will not have problems, we will just change the color mode. So now I'm adjusting it and making it look more subtle and softer, because for the moment it doesn't look nice. And after, when we are satisfied with this blend, we can make a copy and go to transparency mode and make color dot. This blend should be adjusted and we'll delete one part in the middle and adjust the shape of this blend. Even if the shape of this object is more complicated than others, we were able to make the nice glowing effect also on this object using this method. So it's just two blending modes, screen and color dodge, adjust together, and with different opacity and colors, where we reach the nice glowing effect. Of course you can use just effects of Adobe Illustrator, but for some reason if you can't use raster effects, this is the method which I'm using when I'm a little bit tied up with my choice of effects that I can use. And here we go. I hope you liked this tutorial, I hope you found something new for you and you like this method.
Hey, what up, girl? How you doing? I don't want to come on too strong,